Good morning, children. Welcome to your science class. Okay, last class I have discussed about part B and few short questions. Yes, three short questions. Now we will discuss the remaining two short questions and two long questions. Few of you are having doubts about how to write your classwork. Whatever I am saying, you just continue. First I told part B to write in textbook itself. You will write in the textbook itself. And next, where I went, I did not go to long answers. I went to short. You have to write only short answers. How many I gave? 3. You have to write them. Those 3 question answers. Now I will discuss next 2. After that, long answers. Now how you have to write? First write short answers. Then afterwards you write long answers. Okay. First write short answers. Then write long answers. And many of you are not writing properly. Okay. You are not writing your name, class, session. You are sending your homework. How will I know who is writing, whose book, which class? How I will know? By seeing the subject, I know the class, but I don't know your name, no? You have to write for each homework. Even if you are writing in the textbook, at least write the name on the top with pencil. No need to write with pen, write with pencil. Okay? Now I will show you how to write your classwork. When you are sending homeworks, okay, every time you have to send it me like this one. First draw a margin. You will draw the margin. You will have margins. You will have like this, no? Yes. You will have like this margin, no? Now here you will write the date. Okay, date. And here you have to write the lesson name. What is the lesson name? You have to write reproduction in plants. First lesson, reproduction in plants. Okay. You will write like this. Okay. Heading and date. Later here, at this corner, you draw a box. You have to draw a box for every homework, every assignment. This is compulsory. First, you will write class, subject, session. For every session, I am writing on the board now. Okay. Class, subject, session. What is your class? 5th class. What is your subject now? I am telling science. Okay. Session 6. For every homework or assignment, whatever it is, you have to write. Even if you are writing in the textbook, on the corner, okay, here you write it with pencil. Later you can rub it. Okay. Now going into the questions. 4th question. What is the 4th question? Take textbook page number 186. Okay, I am writing here. Textbook page 186. Textbook page 186. See this. Okay, question answers I will discuss. We have completed 3 now. Now 4th one. How do new plants grow from leaves? What is the 4th question? How do new plants grow from leaves? Grow from leaves. Answer. Okay. Even if you doesn't know, you have to go back to the place where it is given about the leaves. Okay, new plants growing from leaves, and read from that, you will get the answer. Here it is there, see. From leaves. Okay. Plants growing from leaves. Okay. From here you have to read and you should be able to answer. Okay, here it is given. How do new plants grow from leaves? In our textbook, what example we are having? Bryophyll. we will write only about bryophyllum. There are other plants also. Okay, we don't know. We will write the textbook given example. Bryophyllum is a plant with thick leaves. With thick leaves. Yes or no? With thick leaves. Now, from these thick leaves, you are getting new buds. These along the edges of these leaves, what you are getting? Small buds. Along the edges of these leaves, small buds grow. Small buds are growing. Okay, when you plant these buds, okay, when you plant these buds in the ground, new plant grows. Okay, these buds are when are planted in soil or mud, whatever it is. These buds when are planted in soil, we get a new plant. Okay. See, this is the bryophyllum leaf. From leaf edges you will have small buds. If you take that bud and plant it in the soil, you will get a new plant. Okay. Example is bryophyllum. You can underline bryophyllum and buds. Okay. These 2 points are important now. These 2 are new names you are learning. Now, what is the 5th question? Name 2 plants that reproduce through spores. Very simple now. You have got this one in your fill in the blanks. Okay. And you have got this in match the following mushroom spores. Okay, fill in the blanks, true or false. You have this answer. If you have read this, you will be able to answer. Ferns, mushrooms, mosses. Okay, these are the plants which reproduces through spores. Name 2 plants that reproduce through spores. Okay. When I am writing the question, try to answer before I am writing. Okay. Were you able to give answer? Here already mushroom is given. We will write mushroom. 2 plants that reproduce through spores are, 1 I am writing mushroom and anything you can write. Okay. Mushroom and second one, what shall we write? Moses or ferns or many examples are given now from your textbook. Okay. Moses shall I write or ferns shall I write? Ferns. Your wish, you can write anything. Okay. Now just copy them. Only 2 minutes I will give. Okay. Now we will go for the long questions. First bit. Answer the following in 5 or 6 sentences. You write only the answers. Later you can copy the questions. Okay. Now going to the long questions. If you have any doubt, you can put me a message. Okay. First question. First one from first bit. Okay, from first bit. Long answers. Describe the process of germination. Now what you will do, first page you are having what is germination. This part you are having now. Yes, this is the germination. Here you are having. What is a? I will reduce it. When a seed is ripe, it falls to the ground. It begins to grow when it gets enough air, water and warmth. The process by which a seed grows into a baby plant or seedling is called germination. Okay, did you understand? Now I'll write the answer. You see, describe the process of germination. Answer. Seeds are inside the fruit. Here in textbook one mistake is given. Textbook page number 181. See, growing plants from seeds. You see the second line. Second line. When a seed is ripe. Okay. Here you see they are usually found inside fruit. When seed is ripe, falls to the ground. Here you should write when the fruit is ripened and falls to the ground. From the fruit, seeds will grow into new plant. Some plants will have only seeds. Okay. We can't recognize this as a mistake. Even some plants, okay, they will have only seeds like nuts, groundnuts. Groundnut will not fall, it is already in the ground. Peanuts, okay, when it is gets dried, it will burst, explosion. It will fall into the ground and new plant will get. Okay, seeds are inside the fruit. Yes or no? When the seeds are ripened, it falls to the ground. It begins to grow when the seed gets enough air, water and warmth. Enough warmth, what happens? Okay, when it gets enough air, water and sufficient sunlight, it tries to grow. And the process by which whatever it is. Okay, is called germination or seedling. Germination or seedling. Okay, anything. Seedling or germination is same. Seedling or germination is same. Okay, now we understood. Okay, take a screenshot first. Second question. It is better you take a screenshot and watch and write later. Okay, I'm rubbing it. Okay. And when I'm rubbing, okay, you read the second question. Read the second question. What is the second question? What is dispersal of seeds? Name the different agents of dispersal. What is dispersion, spreading of seeds? There are different ways: wind, water, air, humans, animals. Yes? Okay, we will write that answer in brief. Second question. What is dispersal? What is dispersal of seeds? Name the different agents of seeds. Different agents. Agents of seeds. What are different agents? Agents means through which seeds are getting spread. Okay. Now go to this page. Page number 183. Here you are having dispersal of seeds. What is the answer? You can find it. Okay. The seeds are carried away from the parent plant by some agents. Okay. This process by which the seeds are scattered away from the parent plant is called dispersion. Agents. Agents of dispersal. What are the agents? Okay, two points I'm giving. Okay, this is one point and this is second. Agents of dispersal. What are they? First one, wind. Through wind they are carried. Second one, animals. Animals. Third one, by water. And fourth one is, What is the fourth one? By explosion. By explosion. Okay. Agents of disposal are wind, animals, by water and by explosion. Okay. From parent plant, seeds are getting spreaded. That is called dispersion. Who is spreading? Through different ways. Wind, animals, water and explosion. Explosion means I told bursting. When it gets completely dried, lady's finger. When it gets completely dried from the tip. Okay, at one end, this lady's finger is thin now. From that end, it will try to open like this. It will try to open, it will burst and the seeds will come out. That is explosion. Okay, small explosion. Now, copy it fast. Tomorrow, now we have finished this lesson. Okay, next session 7, we will go to next lesson. Meanwhile, you read everything, all the bits, part B, lesson and question answers. If you have any doubts, you message it to me, okay? Every Saturday, okay, Friday and Saturdays, I'll give any activity. And one who is doing the best, I'll put it in the group, okay? We will see in the next lesson, 7th lesson, if any activity is there, we will do it. Or else from this lesson, I'll give any activity, okay? Okay, children, thank you.